7 Healthy Recipes for Beginners. Start your day with a sunshine scramble, a skillet scramble with fresh veggies, fluffy eggs, and a sprinkle of feta on whole wheat toast. Lunch could be a Mediterranean mason jar salad. It's a mix of quinoa, chickpeas, cucumber, Kalamata olives, and cherry tomatoes drizzled with zesty lemon tahini dressing. The one-pan salmon fiesta makes for a quick dinner, seasoned salmon with roasted sweet potatoes and broccoli florets, drizzled with lime juice and olive oil. For a light meal, try rainbow veggie hummus wraps. They're whole wheat tortillas loaded with vibrant hummus, crunchy lettuce, cucumber, and sprouts. Craving something warm? Try the Thai coconut curry noodle soup. It's a fragrant soup with coconut milk, ginger, lemongrass, and your protein of choice. For an afternoon pick-me-up, make no-bake energy bites. They're a blend of oats, nuts, seeds, dried fruit, and honey rolled into bite-sized snacks. Finally, prepare tropical overnight oats for tomorrow's breakfast. It's a mix of oats, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, and tropical fruits that refrigerates overnight.